Alright, we are live. Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. We are just going to go ahead and get this stream started. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning on our Texas-Louisiana border to the southwest of Shreveport, Louisiana. I will get that pulled up for you all in just a moment. Let me get our stream chat up. And we will go ahead and get right into this severe weather coverage. So how's everybody doing in the chat? Let me know. Gonna check in on you guys. Let me know. The coffee didn't work. That's sad. Some of you may have seen Ryan Hall is just about to go live as well. Not sure how long this stream will be, but the storm should be starting soon. So let me go ahead and make it so you guys can see our radar. So this is the radar we're looking at. This severe thunderstorm warning includes Center, Logansport, Tenaha, Timpson, and Longstreet, Texas for the next 44 minutes through 2:15 p.m. Central Time. So this is for southwestern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, San Augustine County in eastern Texas, Shelby County in eastern Texas, and Panola County in northeastern Texas. Severe thunderstorm was located over Martinsville, or 16 miles east of Nacogdoches, if we're saying that correctly, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour, 60 mile per hour wind gust, and half-dollar size hail. Radar indicated locations impacted include Carthage, Center, Logansport, Tenaha, Timpson, Joaquin, Martinsville, Chirino, Gary City, Longstreet, Stanley, Paxton, James, Woods, Arcadia, Jericho, Stockman, Deadwood, and Front. Some of those were a little bit difficult to pronounce, but we got through it. Everybody's going live right now. Weston just is about to go live, and so is Davis. So, yeah. Just one moment. I'll be right back. I'm going to keep the radar up. Alright, we're back. So, once again, just looking at the severe thunderstorm warning at the bottom of this polygon includes Center, Texas, Chirino. So, severe thunderstorm warning for half-dollar size hail, 1.25 inches. 60 mile per hour wind gusts, moving northeast at, let's see how fast this is moving. Moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. So a pretty speedy storm compared to yesterday's, or not yesterday's, the day before's 15 to 20 mile per hour storms. So if we calculate the movement of this storm at 50 miles per hour, this will impact Aiken in 2 minutes, Arcadia in 7 minutes, Flat Fork in 19 minutes, Tenaha in 23 minutes. So we're going to put this up right here on our impact times. Wow, we are one subscriber away from 1,150. Oh, we hit it. 1,150 subscribers. Thank you all so much for that. I really appreciate it. Means a lot. So, once again, severe thunderstorm warning for Center, Timpson, Tenaha, Logansport, Stanley, Logansport, Longstreet, Texas. all of those areas. Started to rain here in Houston, correct? So we're just going to keep an eye on this storm. It's our only severe warning at the moment, I believe. Yep, only severe thunderstorm warning right now. Northern Houston, cool. But we'll keep an eye on that storm up there. If we look at Houston, just off to the east, we have a special weather statement. This special weather statement highlights 40-mile-per-hour winds and half-inch hail. Locations impacted include Prairie View, Hockley, Waller, Pine Island, and Monaville, I believe. Monaville. And a tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas and eastern Texas. All of this area in the yellow, light yellow, is a tornado watch. And that red up there is a severe thunderstorm watch. This is a severe thunderstorm warning we've got over here, just to the southwest of Shreveport, Louisiana. Once I have a minor migraine. Okay, I hope you're better. Take as much time as you need. Peachy. So we're watching this right now. I'm going to go ahead and get the Shreveport weather radio pulled up. First, we have to figure out what issuing offense that is from. This is coming from the Shreveport office, figured. So, Louisiana, Shreveport weather radio.
Tornado watch number 715 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: DeSoto and Sabine, and Panola, Texas. Severe thunderstorm watch number 714 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier and Caddo, and the following counties in Texas: Cass, Harrison, and Marion.
So, they're just talking about the
Remember,
tornado watch
a severe thunderstorm
on our weather
watch
radio.
means that conditions are favorable.
Hopefully you could all hear that. Once again, welcome in new viewers. Hope you're all doing well. We are tracking a severe thunderstorm warning to the southwest of Shreveport, Louisiana for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and 1.25-inch hail. This is $half size, I believe. And this is located just to the east of Center, Texas. This hail and major wind. So if we look right into here, this is Center, Texas. This isn't related to today's event, but when they just went enhanced for the Saturday's event with the afternoon outlook. I believe I did see that somewhere. Thank you for reminding me, though. That is pretty crazy. Yeah, I believe, honestly, this might sound a bit far off, but I think we have the potential to see a moderate risk the day of. It's just me. Yeah, but thank you for sharing that. What the heck? That happens every time I try to read somebody's message. Sorry about that. But severe thunderstorm warning still in effect. This is producing frequent lightning, as we can see. So we've got that severe thunderstorm warning, four flash flood warnings for the Dallas area. They've had heavy rain just move through there. So we're watching that. But we're going to keep an eye on our severe thunderstorm warning that we had previously mentioned. So we're going to keep an eye on this. Sorry for all the silence. Not too much to say right now, but that severe thunderstorm warning does remain in effect through 2:15 p.m. Central. You're back. Welcome back. If possible, could you please write a welcome message for everybody just joining us? We just hit 1.15K. Not going to go live yet. Yeah, I don't think a lot of people are. But once again, if you're just tuning in, severe thunderstorm warning southwest of Shreveport, Louisiana for Center, Logansport, Tenaha, all of those places in Texas, and Longstreet, Louisiana. We're going to calculate some arrival times. If Radar Omega would like to work. I don't think it does. Is it this tool? No, it's not. I guess we can't calculate arrival time. That's okay though. So, we're going to keep an eye on this severe thunderstorm warning. It's the only one we've got right now. Stream schedule for 2 essentially at a time, but I'm going to keep pushing it back until we all. This has been a bust so far. Yeah, it kind of has, but it's too early to say that, and a bust isn't always a bad thing. Did that tornado watch just get extended, or did it just load in? I didn't think it no, that's the severe thunderstorm watch. Silly me. So, oh, now we can calculate it. Okay, this storm will be in Aiken in 6 minutes. Jericho, I believe I'm saying it correctly, in 11 minutes. Arcadia in 12 minutes. Center in 18. Flat Fork 23. James 25. Tenaha 27. 30 minutes for that. Yeah, don't sleep on it. Are one of the mods, if possible, able to write a welcome message to the stream, please? Peachy might have one ready. Possibly. Not sure. But thank you. So, we're just going to keep watching this. It's the main threat right now. Alright, pin the message. Thank you very much for writing that. Fowler, Texas has had on and off rotation. I don't think I know where that is. Probably southwestern. We're gonna look it up. Do you mean Waller, Texas? I know where that is. Yeah. It's where we have that special weather statement. But we're going to keep an eye on the Shreveport, the southwest Shreveport storm, which will be arriving in Shreveport in 78 minutes. So an hour and 18 minutes. All good. Don't need to apologize for it. So yeah, this event should be getting started soon. We have Ryan Hall going live soon. Davis, not sure if Max is going live or if he already is. I haven't been paying attention to that yet. Change your thumbnail. Nice. Oh my gosh. It does this every time I click on a message. But it looks like you had 65 subscribers, so that's cool. Unintentionally went and looked at that. Hate it when it does that. So, if you're just tuning in, we have a tornado watch for east and southeast Texas and eastern Louisiana, along with a severe thunderstorm warning on the central and northern portions of the Louisiana-Texas border to the southwest of Shreveport, where we have this severe thunderstorm moving through with heavy rain, some small hail, winds, lightning. So this will be in Aiken in 2 minutes. That's our next place that it'll arrive in. And I don't think I can make this window bigger, sadly. But I believe we can all see it. I'm going to put it over there. Lower Texas could get a tornado warning soon. Let's take a look. I don't want to mess up what we've got going on with radar Omega. I've got it all set up for that area, but we'll look at radar scope. There they are. They may see a tornado warning soon. Possible. So we'll keep an eye on them. This is Waller, Texas. Looks like some pretty heavy lightning. If you're just tuning in, please help us out by liking the stream, sharing it, and subscribing to the channel. So we're going to keep an eye on Waller, Texas, which we've got over here on radar scope. And also going to watch Center, Texas, Tenah, Texas, Logansport, Texas, just southwest of Shreveport for a severe thunderstorm warning. Once again, our impact times are over here in the bottom right corner. Aiken in about 1 minute, Jericho 4 minutes, Arcadia 5 minutes, Center in 12 minutes, Flat Fork 17, all the way out to Caplis, I believe, in 76. I can keep an eye on Waller while you watch that and only give big updates. Okay, just please try to give me an update every radar scan if possible, if you'd like to. So this will be into the Shreveport area in 73 minutes, hour and 13 minutes. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Once again, this severe thunderstorm warning expires in 25 minutes at 2:15 p.m. Central Time. And it is warning for 1.25 inch or half dollar size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This will impact southwestern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Nacogdoches, if I'm saying that right, County in eastern Texas, San Augustine County in eastern Texas, Shelby County in eastern Texas, and southeastern Panola County in northeastern Texas. I will try my best to pronounce everything properly. Rotation tightened a little bit. Alright, I'm assuming we just got a radar update. Let's take a look. Yes, this is 1 minute ago. I would be concerned about this area. No, that's not a good circle. But let me know if you agree with me, Reston. I would be concerned about that area near Hockley. That's where I'd like to watch. And all of, maybe even down here, but particularly just up here. I'm trying to actually make a good circle. There we go, that's good enough. So we're going to keep an eye on that at our next radar scan as well. Yes, and it is a big area of rotation as well, so if we're to get us stronger, we could be looking at a long track large tornado down the road. I mean, there is a possibility, yes. By the way, our severe thunderstorm warning is going to impact, or the locations impacted is about 200 to 300,000 people. Let's move over here on Radar Omega. And get a good radar. This is in a very similar area to Christmas Eve tornado warning that I was live for near Cypress, Texas. So this is all very familiar right now. Waller is right here. Cyanimates, hello, welcome to the stream. Hello. So welcome in Sam too and Cyanimates. Glad to see both of you. We're watching this rotation possible near Cypress and Waller, Texas. Did we just get a new scan? No. Yeah, we did. This is from 2 minutes ago. It's getting very tight. Yeah, we need to watch out for this. But we'll go back to radar scope where we can also see that rotation now. That's near Hockley. Is that a severe thunderstorm warning or special weather statement? Down here, it's a special weather statement for Hockley, Waller, near Cypress, Texas. But we also have a severe thunderstorm warning to the southwest of Shreveport, Louisiana. What color table do I use? I'm not sure what you mean. I'm assuming just the default. I haven't changed any of that. So, if we come up here, you can see this severe thunderstorm warning, the dark yellow blinking box. This impacts Logansport, Louisiana, Timpson, Texas, Tenaha, Texas. Looks like we have a new flash flood warning for this area, too. So it looks like the hail is mainly on, but this is still $half size hail. The warning says in 60-mile-per-hour winds in effect until 2:15 p.m. Central for the next 20 minutes. On Klein Airport radar, there's not much. Yeah, that's the closer one. Just gonna add a text. I'll make it smaller, don't worry. Severe warnings 1, tornado warnings 0. Except I'm gonna make this a separate text box. And tornado warnings 0 at the moment. I'll get back to chat in just a moment. I think I'll have to make that one bold so we can see it better. There, that's a bit better. We'll work on it. Where is the tornado warning? What do you mean? There is no tornado. Radar indicated tornado warning. You feel like they should issue that? Possibly, but not necessarily needed at the immediate moment. No tornado warning. 1 severe warning. 0 tornado. Okay, so they've just shrunk that severe warning with our latest radar scan. No longer includes the San Augustine area and barely includes center. Still have not dropped that $half size hail mark though. Yeah, there's no tornado warning at the moment. Have I seen the day 3 outlook? Yes, it's pretty impressive. Honestly, if we have a day 3 enhanced, I think that we may see a moderate risk that day. I know people have mentioned that we would see a moderate today. I said that that was not happening, but it's not completely out of the question for Saturday. We already have a day 3 enhanced risk. So, I would go ahead and say we might get a moderate for this area where I'm circling my mouse. Just some of the enhanced risk area. The central portions of it. But we'll go back to this severe one. Looks like John McKinney is also going live. Honestly, if NWS deserves enhanced on day 3, then yeah, moderate is not out of the question. Yeah, moderate's definitely not out of the question. I've heard some people say that we could get a high risk. That's very low chance. But a moderate is not completely out of the question. Reed is in Woodville. He's been saying, I'm assuming any NATOs are going to happen. Yeah, we're definitely going to have some NATOs today. Okay, Davis just went live, it looks like. So, we're going to keep an eye on this. Rotation in Waller is really picking up. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's more near Fairfield now in Cypress Lakes villages. Villages of Cypress Lakes is where we're looking at. I will be right back, everybody. I've got to go get one thing. 1 second. I am back, everybody. We're going to keep an eye on this rotation. I'm surprised we have had 0 tornado. Yeah, and we haven't even had a single tornado possible severe warning. Let's go back to radar Omega, near our severe thunderstorm warning, which expires in 13 minutes. So yeah, we're going to keep an eye on this severe warning. I sort of have a bad feeling about today too, but we'll have to see how it goes. So we'll stay tuned. All it takes is one storm. That's very true. Wait, really? I thought it was 1 or 2 tornado warnings would happen while I was gone. No tornado warnings. Not even a tornado possible severe warning. Alright, so calling the first tornado warning of the day will be Tomball, Texas storm. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's that storm we're looking at. It might be, may not be. It's really hard to make the call. So it looks like they dropped that severe warning, as they should, southwest of Shreveport, Louisiana. So I'm going to change our text. Davis is just mentioning it too. So we're going to change that to 0 severe warnings, because we have 0 at the moment. And we'll keep an eye over here. just keeping an eye on these storms with possible rotation near Tomball in Texas. My dog is with me too. Nice. I have my OBS ready to go at the exact moment we get our first tornado. Dog is watching with me. He just moved my lap. Rotation is definitely there, but it's pretty weak. Yeah, it is pretty weak. So, yeah. Sorry if I talk too fast, everybody. I think I do, personally. So, yeah. But anyway, we're going to keep an eye on these special weather statements with some rotation. But I need to go grab something. I will be right back 1 minute. Feel free to talk amongst yourselves in chat. It'll literally be like 20 seconds. Not even going to throw be right back on the screen. Alright, everybody, I'm back, and looks like we just gained a new subscriber, so whoever that was, thank you all. Does anyone live in the answer? I think random texting guy does. But whoever just subscribed, thank you, appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the coverage. The green dots are, I believe, storm spotters. We also do have a marginal risk tomorrow in the afternoon. Just letting you all know. Pinehurst, north of Tomball. We'll keep an eye on this for you. That's in North Carolina. I don't know why I'm searching it. Just lazy and want to have an exact location. Okay. Looks like you're getting some heavy rain right now. You're worried about your house east of Waller? Yeah, don't be worried right now. The rotation isn't really there anymore. It's moved further east. But maybe later tonight there could be more storms. But we'll keep an eye on this general area for you. Your dog goes everywhere I go. Oh, nice. I love dogs and cats. So, rotation north of Conroe. Yeah, we were just looking at that. It's northwest near Woodland Hills. I know people who used to live in the woodlands down there. Your typing is bad. I meant dog. Yeah, I know what you meant. I don't know if there's any other three-letter words that I hear often that are D-O. And then one last letter at the end. And the D and the G are right next to each other on the keyboard, but with an F in between, so figured just a simple typo. Does anybody know if Ryan Hall has went live yet? We also have a a special weather statement. Almost said severe thunderstorm warning, but it's not. Near El Campo and Wharton, Texas. This is for the next 35 minutes. That is through 2:45 p.m. Central. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Radar indicated. Locations impacted include El Campo, Wharton, Pierce, and Bowling Diego. Ryan's going live in a few minutes. Yeah, he keeps changing it. I think he was supposed to go live initially, like 25 minutes. Now Davis is talking about that storm too. I have him in my AirPod. His y'all bot on a second channel in the meantime. Yeah, I watch that sometimes. He's always got it going. I like the y'all bot. Even some rotation near El Campo. Yeah, for sure. So we'll keep an eye on all these storms, but I'd like to keep an eye on the most populated area, Houston. You're having a headache, but you're still trying to go live? Alright, good luck. Day 3 outlook goes moderate tomorrow. I'm not going to rule out a high risk. Yeah, I'm not so sure about a high risk. It's kind of like how people were calling a moderate today. I don't think it'll happen, but definitely a moderate risk is possible. Especially here. I'm gonna show you all this. So, right now you're looking at our day 3 enhanced risk, right? So we can all see this. This is in Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, Arkansas. I think in here. See where I'm circling? Like that. Like that. Could be a 15% tornado risk, possibly. Yeah, I hope you feel better, Weston. Do what you need to do. Maybe these ones over here. I think the one near stage. Speaking, that one near Shreveport, Louisiana was live. That Tomball one, honestly, might go severe warned. Just my thoughts, and maybe even the one north of Conroe. I gotta go live though because I'll take this one person joins in a big tornado warning. It doesn't know that. Yeah. You can always send them to me or anybody else if you're unavailable, if you'd like. Doesn't mean 50% in the entire. I'm confused what you mean. Entire and all parts kinda sound safe. What I'm saying is we may, instead of a 10% tornado risk on the day 3, we've got a tornado warning. Tornado warning for El Campo. We literally just talked about it. I just mentioned this. That is great timing. I just talked about that. So you need to take shelter in this area. El Campo and Wharton, Texas. And Lake City. Lane City. So we do have a tornado warning. National Weather Service in League City or Houston has issued a tornado warning in east central Wharton County in southeastern Texas. This includes the cities of El Campo, Wharton, Lane City. This is in effect. This is radar indicated with 0.75-inch hail. This is in effect through 2:45 p.m. Central. So El Campo and Wharton need to look out for this. So this is near El Campo right now. This is moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. We're going to calculate when this will be in Wharton. 25. This will be in El Campo, the rotation in approximately 6 minutes if it's not already there. Pearson 19 minutes, Sorrell in 34 minutes, Wharton in 37, Dinsmore in 44, and Burr in 48 minutes. Thank you for whoever just subscribed. I really appreciate the support. But anyway, this is moving towards Wharton. So El Campo, you need to be in your safe place right now. And Wharton, you've got about 30 to 37 minutes before this rotation is on top of you. Take cover now. Yes, please do. This is near Highway 59. Okay. There. I made my mouse more visible. Lane City also has some rotation. Yeah, we were taking a look at that just a bit ago. But we're going to keep an eye on this tornado warning. Wharton needs to look out for this. They've got time to wait for it to come, and they need to use that time to take shelter. Maybe it's just best if I leave the mouse default and make it bigger. Yeah, I like that. So if you're just tuning in, we have a tornado warning for El Campo, Texas, Wharton, Texas. This is in El Campo, the rotation is. And if you are in Wharton, Texas, you have time. This is on the way, though, and you need to take shelter. So if you're in this tornado warning polygon, even if you're down here in Lane City and you think you'll be fine, there is an additional rotation which the warning mentioned. This warning mentioned that a second thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located in eastern Wharton County. So see? So we need to watch these. So I guess Lane City is in that tornado warning. Sorry, I was thinking it's near Houston, but they did mention that in the severe warning. But the tornado warning is, this tornado warning is mainly for the one near El Campo. But we're going to keep an eye on both, and they're both in our radar area. This is near the 60, we have some rotation in Lane City, and near the 59 in El Campo. So the total population of people affected by this, according to Radar Omega, is 20,420. Once again, this is a radar-indicated tornado warning for El Campo, Wharton, and Lane City, Texas. So this expires in 23 minutes. That is 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time with a radar-indicated tornado. It's radar indicating rotation and hail up to 0.75 inches. Yeah, we do have a couple. Thank you for mentioning that. But we're going to keep an eye on just north of El Campo and just to the northwest of Lane City. This is very close. You need to be taking shelter if you're in any of your any of this red box. Sorry. And this area is in our tornado watch. So hopefully people knew this was coming. This tornado watch had been in effect for a couple hours already, since late this morning. But if you take a look at the tornado risk, I believe they're in the 5%. They are in the 5% tornado. El Campo. So Wharton's in the 5%. El Campo's in the 2%. But this poses a threat to Houston, potentially. Because, if I'm being honest, it's moving northeast towards Houston. And this is only the 2% tornado risk. So this may get more and more powerful. So heads up, Houston. So we're just going to keep an eye on this. This is approaching, this is almost in our 5% tornado risk. The tornado rotation area. I drank 2 energy drinks so far. Nice. So we're going to keep an eye on this once again. El Campo and Warren, tornado warning, and Lane City with the separate rotation under the same warning polygon. If anybody has any questions, please ask me. I'm happy to answer. I'd love to answer some custom vegetation for both El Campo and Storm and Lane City Storm kind of look like they're weakening. Yeah, I agree with you. Cover trying to form already formed near Burr. Where is Burr? Just for a timely manner, I'm just gonna look it up. Burr, Texas. So they are in that tornado warning, and that is where we have that couplet. So near Wharton. Sadly, I couldn't see it on Radar Omega. It must have been too small of a town to highlight it for me. But it is impacting Burr in 37 minutes. These two rotations. So, our impact times. El Campo, it's already impacted, so I don't know what Radar Omega means with that. Wharton in 25, I give it 5 to 10 minutes. Dinsmore 32, and Burr 37. Lower those all by 20. That's probably, yeah. Eight seconds until we've been live for 1 hour. That's pretty cool. So this red flashed in polygon. So we can also see this on Radar Omega. Just wanted to show you all that. According to Davis, we may have had a brief tornado in Wharton County. Sounds like somebody reported it in his chat. That somebody else sent out a report for that. Sounds like it's lifted though. But we're just not sure which one produced. I hope it's the Lane City one. A lot less people over there. Davis did mention that on his stream. Somebody in his stream reported that a storm spotter or somebody reported there was a tornado. A brief tornado that has now lifted. Hopefully it's just a funnel. We don't know if it's true or not, or which rotation it was on for that matter. Could be both. We're going to take a look at our current hazards list. In terms of warnings, no severe warnings, 1 tornado warning. Watches a tornado and a severe thunderstorm watch, both expiring at 7 p.m. Central. 4 special weather statements, all in Texas. And discussions. We have some discussion. We're going to move back to Radar Omega. They'll probably lift the tornado warning. I'm assuming that. Oh. Did anybody see that? I literally said that they were going to lift that tornado warning. And they did. That's crazy. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Just canceled it. So not too worried about that anymore, but I'd like to keep an eye on northern Houston now. That's my focus. This storm up here near the Woodlands with the special weather statement. I think they're going to issue a tornado warning, possibly. Watching that general area. Be right back. Alright, sounds good. Yeah, it sounds like we did have a brief tornado on the ground, or possible funnel cloud, but now I'd like to watch this one. No, we're just debating if we had a tornado or not and watching this rotation near the Woodlands. So welcome back. So I'm not sure how much longer I'll be live, but we're going to keep an eye on this storm before I were to end. So you can see where the wind is coming towards the radar and away from the radar. I believe the green is towards. I'm not sure which one is which, but the main idea is that we've got a possible rotation on our hands. Green is inbound, red outbound. Okay, that's what I was thinking. I don't know what I said. I always forget that, but what matters is that we can identify it as rotation. So, here. They have an X link. I'm not on there, but if somebody can share the link another way to me, that'd be cool. I'm listening to his stream right now, and they're saying it was a large multi-vortex on eyewitness reports. That's very interesting. Not sure the authenticity of that once again, but we'll find out soon. Multi-vortex. Wow. So they're reporting it was a multi-vortex cone. So this is going over. I believe this is. So that's going towards the radar. That's away. I believe this is Interstate 35, big road, so we need to look out for this. Rotation. That was really bad. Rotation right here. And up there. EMS reported it? Yeah, that's what I've been hearing too. I'm trying to look at the stream now. I have to go to dinner at 3 Central Time, so I send my chat. Okay. Are you live right now? If you are, thanks for sending your chat here. He's showing it right now. Big funnel on Davis's stream. Big funnel ground circulation indeed. And thank you, Weston. I appreciate that. I did rewind a little and I was able to see it, by the way. Thank you for letting me know. I haven't seen the video, but I saw the photo. And this one down here is not a strong rotation, but that one is getting very strong. Porch collapse along with trees is pretty crazy. Thank you for the report. There was a brief tornado on the ground with our El Campo and Warren tornado warning, Sam, too. It was the first and so far only tornado warning of today. Yeah, definitely scary. Sorry, that's absolutely crazy. It lifted the house a little bit. Thank you for the reports. A wood lodged in a metal door. Wow. Thank you for all the reports. Max says unwarned tornado and warning. It was warned, though. We did have a tornado warning earlier. It must. Wait, are you talking about right now? I'm letting Davis know right now. Thanks for the information. I'm keeping an eye on this. Wow. So I just let him know. This is pretty crazy. We still got some rotation near Hungerford for sure, but it might be a land spout. Mainly just coming towards the radar, not much spinning. So you all need to seek shelter in Wharton, Texas, Hungerford, Texas. Apparently the unwarned tornado. Updated the title. Looks like we got some hail over here near Hungerford. Possible rotation as well. So, with that being said, it would work there even if you're not logged in. I'm gonna go look at that. Thank you. I don't think I could show it on the stream though, sadly.
This is where it picked the house up and moved it.
That's damage from Christmas Eve, not today, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. I have got to go, but I will be live again later. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next one. We may be going live later, so see ya.